In the quiet desert town of Harrowstone, a strange rumour spread like wildfire. A viaduct had appeared overnight. No one had maintained it, no workers had come for maintenance, and no one could fix or mend an explanation for why a bridge, tall, silver and shimmering, now stood in the sand like a misplaced dream. Some said the structure looked recently modified, as if someone had made a mysterious modification to its foundation. Others noticed the edges were sharply trimmed, its joints perfectly welded, and its arches carved as though a master craftsman had used a celestial saw, a giant screw, and a drill far too advanced for human hands. And yet, no one saw a single engineer, plumber, or builder anywhere. Tara Brooke, a young architect known for her curiosity, visited the site the next day. At the base of the viaduct, she found something puzzling: a stone tablet. On it were directions, not outward, but inward. "Enter the bridge," the tablet commanded, "though the entrance is not what it seems." Tara hesitated. The layout of the markings resembled an ancient design, but also something modern, almost like an installation placed here deliberately. The symbols suggested she must navigate a hidden route. A challenge, she thought. A puzzle meant for someone willing to journey beyond logic. As she stepped across the threshold, a soft glow formed around the archway. Tara felt as if she was no longer walking outside, but shifting inward, passing from the exterior world into some secret interior realm. The glowing corridor led Tara into a chamber shaped like a pyramid. At its center stood a towering monument carved with scenes of pharaohs, forgotten rituals, and civilizations long lost. It felt both external and internal, both vast and intimate, like stepping into the memory of the earth itself. A smaller stone platform rose before her. It seemed to be an assembly, ready for someone to assemble themselves courageously, piece by piece, as though their lifespan were being evaluated. She touched the carvings. The moment her fingers made contact, the chamber began to commemorate her, projecting images of her childhood, her studies, even her first architectural failures. This place wasn't honoring dead kings, it honored anyone who dared to enter. Was this a memorial created by time itself? A deep voice echoed, "You have crossed the span of your life to stand here. Few walk the inward path." A figure emerged from the shadows, a tall guardian wearing the mask of a pharaoh. His voice was calm and strangely attractive, resonating like ancient stone shifting under sunlight. "I am the keeper of placement," he declared. "I protect the sacred furniture of destiny, the choices each person places in the world." Behind him, Tara noticed rows of sculpted chairs, tables, even shelves. They glowed faintly, as if representing the placement of events, decisions, and turning points in one's life. "I did not come to disturb anything," Tara said nervously. "Not to disturb," the guardian answered. "To understand." A new doorway opened, revealing a vast desert. But this was not Harrowstone. The sun was brighter, the air denser, and the horizon stretched endlessly. A sign marked the way. "Begin your voyage. Follow the winds of navigation." Before Tara could react, a loud roar sounded overhead. An aeroplane flashed by, casting a moving shadow. Then a helicopter, then a sleek jet slicing through the sky. "Your path requires movement," the guardian said. "All great journeys demand motion." A rope dropped from the helicopter. Tara grabbed it, and the craft lifted her into the sky. The machine carried her low enough that she saw an ancient dam, broken yet magnificent, holding back nothing but history. The helicopter soon landed near a caravan preparing for a desert safari. Their leader waved at her. "We are headed toward the border, where the dunes haunt travelers," he said. "Strange forces cause traffic jams there. Not of cars, but of lost souls. A kind of spiritual traffic congestion. Tara shivered. This voyage was becoming more than a physical adventure. The group moved through the desert, reaching a barren valley. Suddenly, a procession appeared. A quiet parade of translucent figures, drifting like smoke. Each wore the uniform of a pilot, carrying broken parachutes, helmets, or flight journals. They walked slowly toward the horizon, repeating routes they had flown long ago. "Are they ghosts?" Tara whispered. "No," the caravan leader said. "They are memories. This place remembers every voyager, every aviation dreamer, every failed landing, every heroic rescue." The figures marched on, solemn yet purposeful. Tara felt humbled. At the far end of the valley, an ornate doorway stood alone, unconnected to any structure. On it were the words, "Exit is only gained through understanding the internal." She stepped toward it. The moment she touched the gate, she felt a shift, like being pulled both outward and inward at once. "What do I need to do?" she asked. From the air, the guardian's voice replied, "Understand what you furnish to the world." Suddenly, the furniture of destiny appeared around her again, chairs representing opportunities she took or missed, tables representing relationships she built or failed to furnish, shelves representing ambitions she stored away for later. She walked among them slowly. "This is my life," she whispered, "my real interior." The gate glowed. It recognized the truth. The moment of understanding propelled Tara through the gate. She was lifted skyward, gently but powerfully, as if the world itself was returning her home. A jet of wind formed beneath her, soft like a parachute, steady like a plane's glide. Then, she was back at the viaduct. No more pyramids, no more guardians, no more ghost pilots. Just the desert evening and the mysterious bridge. But something had changed. The bridge now had a plaque. For Tara Brooke, who dared to navigate the inward voyage. People gathered around her. "What happened?" someone asked. "Where did you go?" Tara looked at the viaduct, then at the sky where planes still crossed like silver threads stitching the heavens. "It wasn't a construction," she said softly. "It was an invitation." "To what?" She smiled. "To understand the internal structures of a life, to navigate your own journey, to furnish the world with something only you can give." The viaduct shimmered once, like a wink, and then slowly dissolved into the air, as if returning to wherever ancient wonders sleep. Harrowstone was quiet again, but Tara knew the truth. The voyage had only begun.